You may know AutoCorrect is that feature in Word that checks your spelling as you go, but did you know you can also use it as a text expander? If you've ever had a long, complicated phrase you had to type over and over, especially if it's something that's limited to one document and not a good candidate for an auto text entry, you need to know this AutoCorrect hack. Simply select that phrase in your document, being careful not to pick up any end of paragraph markers. I'm going to use Shift left arrow to back up over that so that only the phrase is selected. Then go to File, Options, Proofing, AutoCorrect Options. You'll see that phrase already popped into the With field under Replace Text as you type. Pick a trigger, i.e. the prompt to be replaced with that longer phrase, something you wouldn't type in the ordinary course of creating a document, and type that trigger into the Replace field. Then click Add and OK. Now, whenever you type that trigger and press space, enter, or any punctuation, Word will automatically replace that trigger with the full phrase. Voila! You've just turned AutoCorrect into a text expander without buying or installing any extra software.